Hey folks, okay, so here's what's happening today in class. I want to just tell you that your summative is the next class. Seasons assessment is in the next class. I had to change it because I was out today. Here's your entire summative right here. Students will be able to use a model to explain why seasons occur. So that's it. So if you want to practice, if you want to look it up, go ahead. Figure that out. You already know what this is. And you will have an opportunity today to practice some of the information that you need to include in that because I'll have a game available for you to review it. Okay, so where it says seasons assessment, forget that. We're going to start moon of phases and you are going to actually play the GIM kit. Okay, so instead of going on about what you already know about the moon, I'm not going to make you watch this video either. Basically, this video is setting up the situation for our unit, which is that this guy needs to take pictures of the moon. And he needs to take pictures of these three features: the Plato crater, the Copernicus crater, and Rupes Cauchy. And he has to figure out what night is the best night to take that picture. Okay. So in the video, they talk about the terminator, which is this border between light and dark on the moon. And when the terminator is closest to those features, that's when it's best to take the pictures. All right. So just to make sure you clarify, the moon is a rocky sphere that travels around any planet. We only have one moon. Some planets have a bunch of moons, right? Which would be really cool. Okay, so the big thing we're going to learn first is why is that a border between light and dark on the moon? What is the terminator? What causes that? And today's question is, where does the moon get its light? So you're going to have a format for every question in every class today. And the format looks like this. The investigation question. Then you're going to explain the activity that we do in class, what we learn, what you learned in class. And this you're going to draw and write what you learned, and then any new questions you have. So this is the format. I'm going to give you guys a choice. Are you the kid who likes to draw and write everything? Then do this in your notebook. This is the template. You can open your notebook right away and start on this. Are you the kid that's like, yeah, no, I want to do this electronically? So you're going to go to assignment 8 right here at the top, illuminate the moon. Remember, the word illuminate from our light unit means to light up. And you're going to make a copy of this page and put it in your Google Drive Science folder. Okay? So pause the video while you either write this in your notebook or you create a Google slideshow by making a copy of that. Okay, so pause me. All right. Okay, you're back. You have this. So our first investigation question today is, you can see it right here, where does the moon get its light? So just to keep things easy for me, I'm going to copy and paste that into this. Where does the moon get its light? Okay. All right. So now, how are you going to investigate that? Well, we're going to use this simulation that's right here. So go ahead, click on that simulation. And then once you get to the